Hey, how's it going? My name's Joseph. I'm going to teach you how to make an old fashioned. Pretty simple. We're going to start with our Angostura bitters. So I'm going to use my nice fancy mixing glass here. You're going to start with 2 dashes, just like that, nice big dashes. Up next, we're going to use our homemade simple syrup. It's pretty easy to make. If you want to make it yourself, check out the link below. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, just like that. I'm using a Japanese jigger here. Goes right in there. Next, we'll be using our rye whiskey for our whiskey old fashioned. Today I'll be doing 2 ounces of my rye whiskey. Bam. Perfect. Close that up. Next, we're going to add the ice. Give it a good amount of ice to where there's more than the amount of liquid you have in there. Quick stir. Yeah, just about maybe 10-15 seconds. Fun fact, an old fashioned is actually a style of making drinks. It doesn't pertain to being whiskey. You can have a tequila old fashioned, you can have a vodka, a gin old fashioned, whatever you want. So before you pour it in, you're gonna add your ice cubes. I have these nice fancy ones. Take your julep strainer, strain it right over the ice. Beautiful, just like that. And you're almost done. Last but not least, your garnish. I'm garnishing it today with an orange peel. Take your orange peel, like so. You're going to express the oils over the top. Go ahead and rim it with the oils that have been expressed, like so. Plop that in there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a rye whiskey old fashioned. This is my favorite way of making it. There's many ways to make a drink, but this is the way I make it. I think it works pretty well. Enjoy. Well, you can enjoy it, but I'll enjoy it.